Hi everyone, this is Amatul. So nowadays when mortgage payments are pretty high and everyone is looking for a rental income support to the property, this is a beautiful house we're presenting today, 19 Wardlaw Place in Woodbridge, Coal Creek Estate area. It's a beautiful house, 4-bedroom, ideal family floor plan, 9 feet ceilings, upgraded. It has amazing basement apartment, fairly new. Its rental income support is $2,500 per month. I'm going to get our photographer to go with you inside, show you around, but do call me and I will arrange a private showing and I'll make sure you get this property and you grow your family here. And here you go.